So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a video with autoplay on the Shopify homepage. So the first thing you want to do is go to your admin panel on Shopify. So it will look something like this. You can see home, orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, content, markets, analytics, online store, apps, as well as settings. Now through here you can just go ahead and go to content first. From here you can see meta objects, files, menus, blog posts. So let's go to files. On here, you can see upload and manage your files. So once you click on that, you will upload a certain video you've created. If you click on upload files on here, you can also see it here, upload from URL. Once you upload a file, you will see it listed on there. You will see more actions and you can copy the URL of that file. Next, if you want that video to appear on your homepage with the autoplay enabled, you will first need to go to online store. From here, you can see themes, pages, and preferences. Now through here, you can go to the customize button. And then just choose where you want to add that video with autoplay. So let's choose on templates. So you can see feature collection, rich text, collage, slideshow, image banner. You can see some other stuff underneath as well. And it's important to note here, don't click on video. Click on custom liquid. So once you click on this, you will need to code. Now, in order to do this, just paste this code or type it out if it's easier for you right here and embed with the video you already have it on there. So that's the way that you can add autoplay. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.